that this was Masjidul Aqsa is no ordinary masjid. Masjidul Aqsa is not a normal place upon earth, but rather it is a sacred place which the Prophet ﷺ had dedicated his time to speak to the Sahaba, to appreciate the veracity of this, to appreciate the blessings of this masjid, to appreciate the blessings of this land. So Masjidul Aqsa, the Prophet ﷺ says that if you can go to this masjid and perform your salah, do perform your salah. An Umamah Maulatin Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, that Umamah an Maymuna Maulatin Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, Maymuna, who was the freed slave of the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, she says that we asked the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, Aftina an Baytul Maqdis, that tell us about Baytul Maqdis. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said that go and perform your salah in Baytul Maqdis if you can, for the reward in there is 500 to 1,000 times. In one narration, the Prophet ﷺ said, the greatest reward you will get for performing salah is in Masjidul Haram. Thereafter, it will be in my masjid, Masjidul Nabawi. 100,000 in Masjidul Haram, 50,000 in Masjidul Nabawi. Performing one salah will give you the reward of 50,000 salahs. And go and perform your salah in Masjidul Aqsa as well. For one salah in there will be equal to 500 salah. In the narration of Maymuna, the Prophet ﷺ said, one salah in there is equal to 1,000 salah. So look at the Sahaba. They have opened doors for you and I. Said, O Prophet of Allah, what if we cannot attend there? What if we cannot go there to perform our salah? Then what do we do? The Prophet ﷺ said that send oil to burn its lantern, that will give you the reward of salah. Meaning continue burning the lantern of Masjidul Aqsa. In another narration, Abu Dharr radiyallahu anhu, he asked the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, O Prophet of Allah, which masjid was built first upon the surface of this earth? Ayyu masjidin wudi'a fil ardi awwal? Qala Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, al-Masjidul Haram. That it was Masjid al-Haram, the Kaaba was the first that surfaced its head upon earth, and Malaika built the Kaaba. Thumma ayyun, thereafter which masjid? Abu Dharr radiyallahu anhu, the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Thumma Masjidul Aqsa, Thumma Baytul Maqdis, thereafter it is Masjidul Aqsa. Kam kana baynahuma, O Prophet of Allah, what was the duration between Masjidul Haram and Masjidul Aqsa when they were built? Arba'una sanatan, the Prophet ﷺ said it was 40 years. And thereafter, for something for you and I to ponder, the Prophet ﷺ said, Oh Abu Dharr, you worried about which masjid was built first and second, but why don't you ponder that a person of tahajjud and make dua for them? Don't underestimate dua. The dua mukhul ibadah.